Following on from our tutorial we uploaded last night, what we want to do is just show you in a little bit more detail what we think is going on with gold. Um, Gold had a original upright head and shoulders. There's the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. We was talking about this and said that gold was going to break down. It did. It broke down to around 252. We uploaded on Facebook. Um, we had a target of 1253, and it pretty much hit that. We're just drawing now a support line as to show you why we think that was the lowest point in the market. If you look at that support line, I mean, it's pretty much touched that, and it went higher on the last touch. So that's why we think gold went to the price it did. That's where we had our price projection, which was met. At the moment, what we want to show you, what we do actually is we zoom in on this little bit of the chart. So this is the same chart zoomed in. What we've got, we've highlighted in purple, if you can make that out, a bull flag. And right here on Facebook at that point, we said we thought that gold was going to break that blue neckline, and it did within minutes. What we think now is it's actually forming probably another bull flag. If we get a drop to there, that's very much a buying opportunity. We think that as well as this, we've got left shoulder, head, and a right shoulder inverted. Only small, but these signs tell us that black resistance line is going to get beaten at some point very soon. If we just show you on this chart as well, the black line, what it actually represents, it stopped the downturn there, and again we've got a bounce off of it. Once we got it underneath it, a strong resistance. We eventually got above it, went on quite a bit of a run. We're right at it now, 1350. So unless the situation changes for gold, the things that we've just shown you, the little bull flag and the small inverted head and shoulders, we should break up to this line. If that black trend line gets beaten, the 1351, then that is exactly where we're heading on gold. So let's just have a little look at a weekly chart now. Something that we've picked up on the weekly chart, we've got this red descending trend line, which is a very strong resistance. There is a chance that we could go up and test that, and there's even a chance that we could go up and best it. We put in a low, we rallied, hit the trend line. We've actually made a higher low. This is something that we go on about on our special content tutorials. If you go onto WeMakeMints.com, we've got lots of tutorials on how to actually read charts. On the special contents, this sort of tutorial is very much like what we've got on our special content page. Things like what we're showing you now. Anyone that's watched them tutorials will know exactly what this means and why we're looking at it. So if you want, come on to WeMakeMints.com and check out the tutorials. And we're also on Facebook. If you search for We Make Mints, you'll find our page, and we're often posting recommendations on there. So we hope to see you on there soon.